Hello, this is Holly Knight with National Diamond Academy. I'm going to walk you through fairly quickly some general tips on how to navigate through the metrics database page. This is the home page, Testing Center metrics page, and it'll take you to here. I probably will add a few things to this page, but this gives you the basic rundown. So you have these 4 different categories of metrics, pretty much self-explanatory. We're going to start with hitting because that's where most of the data is. So generally speaking, through all of the databases that I use and all of my websites, they're all the same way. So if you navigate yourself to the prospect database, this metrics through camps, showcases, those type of things be the same thing. So I'm going to show you some basic features of this. The headings, you can always sort by heading. So if I wanted to sort by bats, I can click it twice and it'll show me all the right-handed hitters at first. So anything that's sort by number, let's say bat speed, the first time you do it, it'll show you the lowest number starting with 0 or blank and going up. If I click it again, it will go to the highest number. I'm going to make a couple notes here. You can see some ages here, some negatives, some blanks. I've got some testing going on in here. I've got some redoing the site. So this will be cleaned up hopefully within the next few days as I improve the database. All right, so we're going to so you can do sort by that, sort by athlete. If you want to do alphabetical order. All of these things are searchable. Each one of them are searchable for that. The other thing is that if you wanted to do just a real quick search, so if you wanted to find your daughter, and let's say her name is Madison, all the Madisons will show up here, and her name, we got Madison Thomas and Madison Lawson. They will show up listed here. So if you wanted to do just one, let's say Thomas, then you can select that and it'll show her. Now let's say we want to select someone that's done this twice. She's had 2 different sessions. January, as you don't have to read it to you, but you can see she's done 2 different sessions here, of which we have. So if they do a session with a camp, a session with a lesson, a session with the profiles, showcases, different things, they're going to be listed here. Now these are lessons, individual lessons that I've done with Paige that we've done some testing with her. The cool thing about this is you can see, so 2017 she had of September, so this is only a few months difference. She went from 47.7 to 51 bat velocity. Bat speed, the lower number the better. She increased her bat speed. Her hand velocity increased. Her blast factor increased. Her power actually decreased for various reasons. That is a blast algorithm that they have. I have not done exit velocity with her because I've just started that recently, and I'll be adding some things to this over the next course of the next year, 2, 3, whatever. So we want to reset that, get this back to all of the girls here, all of them been tested, which at this point have been 88 tested for hitting metrics. So that's a basic thing. The most powerful part of this is really pretty cool. If I click here on Add Filter, so let's say I wanted to get graduation class of 2023. I can click that. So it shows me all the metrics, and if I wanted to see who has the highest, the best, which would be the higher number, bat velocity of 2023, I click this twice, and Jenna Sawyer would be 63.5 of that class. Then Lana Brown would be 59.0. And I can do any of those things with when I click there. So also, what if I want to do is go 2003 grad year, but I wanted to see grad year of all right-handed hitters. Let's go left-handed hitters. Let's see if there are any. Okay, there are none. So I want to find a left-handed hitter. Let's say graduation is that is is 2023. Okay, let's take that out. I just want to see all left-handed hitters. Yep, there's only one, and that was actually me doing a test there. So we clear that and clears it back. So the filter will give you the ability to do any of these things that are listed on that page. So if I wanted to, bat velocity is higher than 50 miles an hour. It'll show me all of the hitters that are higher than 50 miles an hour. Really cool thing you can do is, let's say I want to do bat velocity is higher, let's go lower than 50, but bat velocity is higher than 40. So this will give me between 40 and 50 miles an hour. So it gives me an idea there if I want to break that down. So I like that pretty good, but you know what? I want to see, add filter, I want to see the outfielders. Is an outfielder that is between 40 and 50, so I can start narrowing it down there a little bit. So it gives me a pretty good idea of different features that is available there. So I can click this. Anything that's over 40 will change that. Is an outfielder. That'll give me all the outfielders that are listed, and this will reset it back to the 88 listed. So it gives you a pretty good overview. This current is listed by exit velocity. If you want to know what all these are, you can go to click down here. Gives you an explanation of each one of the skills that are down at this point. So, and that will be, if you wanted to do that, you can click here, take that, if you have another screen, put it over another screen. You can look at it, or you can go back and forth because it went to a different window. I hope that helps. If you got any questions, just let us know. Contact us on the contact page here, and you can give me your information and send me anything out that any questions you have. Also have my phone number here, my email address, and you can add your like our page on Facebook. Hope that helps. Thank you.